So I recently watched a video on, I think it was Facebook Reels, where there was a guy that got a bolt loose with one of these, a zip tie. And I'm going to see if it's true or not. So here's the video in question.
Want to know a secret about removing stubborn bolts? This zip tie method will blow your mind. Position your zip tie around the bolt head. Secure it firmly with pliers. Give it a quick test pull. Tap the bolt head once, then apply steady pressure using the zip tie, and there you have it. That stuck bolt slides right out.
So our focus today is this bolt, one of these two. Now I'm going to loosen it with a proper tool and retorque it to 20 foot-pounds just to see if this actually works. Okay, right there is 20 foot-pounds. Now we're going to loosen it. Okay, it's loose. There's 20 foot-pounds. Now, grab your zip tie. Now what they did in the video, they got it super tight with a pair of pliers. So they snugged it up, snugged up the zip tie. And they got it as tight as they could with the pliers. Then they got it loose, which doesn't work. Figured. Well, don't believe everything you see on the internet. Just because I have the pliers out, I'll try with the pliers, see if I can get it to move. It's gonna slip off. Yeah, no. Just wasting zip ties. Alright, thanks for watching. So you're probably asking, how did they do it? Well, it's not hard. Because if you watch the video, there's a cut from the time you put the zip tie on to the time the bolt moves. So pretend this is during the cut. I mean, because you really can't tell depth in the video because, you know. Then they just put the zip tie on like it's moving here. And that's how they did that. Just crappy editing, I guess. Okay, that's the end of the video. Have a nice day.